Hello, good afternoon so much. Today is Friday, as we said earlier. Today is Friday, and if you be following us, you see that we talked about buying when price get to this place. So we talked about buying when price get to this place. So what we'll be looking for, if you want to enter the trade, you take the trade. But here you take the trade to this zone. This is where I'll be expected to take my profit, and I will zoom out from this particular place. But there will be a reaction for this place. So this reaction, you can still take the trade to this particular point. So based on what we said earlier. One thing about trading is you just have to be there so that you will see what we are talking about. You just have to be there. So so for you to get to understand a lot of things, based on what I said the other yesterday, I was if you have a systems, I want to tell you guys, if you have a systems, what you need to do is that stop following forex traders. I beg. Do your things on your own. Do your things based on your rule, based on your systems. So that if you fail, you know that you fail on your system. You try to modify what you have. So I lose trade here because I was anxious when I was on Telegram seeing people. Let me show you the what happened, previous history. So I told you guys that we're going to be buying from here. I lose trade here. You know why? I first set my buy order for this particular zone. I set my buying order for here. So this is where I set my buying order. So I set my buying order for here as I saw earlier, and it is I should put this stop loss for here, and I was not around. The thing hit my stop loss. So when I see that people we are buying, people I just like, let me consider what people are saying because we are talking about the same thing. They say some people are saying fair value gap, fair value gap, order block, whatever they are talking about. I was okay. If people believe that you are going to buy here, let me buy. I just rushed the trade again. So I rushed the trade from this for that zone. I rushed the trade here. You see where I jump in. I came when I came, I see that time has is getting by. I saw the trade getting this place. I jump into the trade. And this warrants me to put my stop loss below here. And this can come back and hit my stop loss. I yes, I was adding I added position for that line. It hit my stop loss. I said okay, no problem. I just have to leave. Around 9 o'clock, 9 that Wednesday 9, I saw the trade again. I said, okay, this is my setup. This particular things is my setup. I told you people that there will be something like a range within this zone. If the range happens, it is very nice for you to take the trade there. So I said, no, I know that this is my entry. I have to take that responsibility of buying this thing here. Then I have to enter the trade. And there is where I expect my take profit. Even before, there's a lot of mistake I made here though. The mistake is that I told you guys that when this thing, when the market opened last week, say that the trade, I was on the trade before. So I was on trade before that last week. I was on sale. So, but when I came, I have to analyze the market. When you're jumping inside the trade without proper analysis, you're going to lose. So I told you guys that this market have to pull back to 4,250. So it tried to pull back to 4,250, but it succeeded at 4,200. It does not reach 4,250 before they say launch to this particular zone. I missed the trade because uh I was doing something else, and this happened within around 12. And I came, I was like, let me just leave to consider the buy that I want to take here. So let me stop, watch the market to reach this place. His weakness though, I should have entered sale after that, but due to I leave it after hitting my stop loss. I I left. I do not want to enter the market again. This is where I tried to sell again that very day. The thing hit my stop loss. Why? Because I know that my safe say if to say that it did not hit my stop loss there, this is where I'll be taking my profit. And that is how I take my trade. But now when you're making small mistake, it gives you a balance for you to modify your system. So now we are modifying how to be more patient. You don't have to fight. The market is here for you. So what you need to do is to learn. So I entered a trade say here. My stop loss is above where I enter my sell because the way I took do my analysis, only this trade played. So, but if as he played, we did not deliver to my take profit. This is where my take profit should be, and I was like, no. When you're following people for panic, you panic, say this one say buy, this one say do this, you're going to make a mistake then. That is what makes me now to delete Telegram on my phone. I don't use Telegram again. I'm not when I post this on TikTok, I'm out. I'm not coming to watch what people are saying because I have to build myself based on my own system. I have to build this is my own personal systems. Nobody modify it. I modify it myself, and I have to be here to modify it. So guys, try not to be confused by a lot of noise. Try to build yourself on the information. So this is how Friday market is. So let's see what we expected this week. Next week on Sunday we see what we happened here now. So there will be a lot. There will put back from this zone though, but that pullback we don't know how it will be. Either it will have something like this before it go, or perhaps market can try to reverse from here now and reach this particular zone and do something like this before continue doing a buy something. But I entered a trade. I accept the loss for this place. So the next entry is my stop loss. So that is how I do my trade. The next entry is my stop loss. So guys, let's watch and see what will happen this week. uh that is very nice. So try to, if you look at my chart, you're gonna see different things. I don't trade based on how others trade, and I want to build on based on what I have here. So I will not be analyzing this until we achieve what we want to be. If we this trade can, if you come to 1 hour, this is the perfect trade to collect. So but most of the times you made a mistake for you to learn a lot of things. So I thought we should be available to make more mistake and get to understand. Don't be scared. If you're scared of making mistake, you can't build. So you try to uh yes, try to learn and be and capitalize yourself in information. So guys, this is what the trade is been. So some people can be selling, you can still sell, make money. But me, I'm buying. I don't know. Whatever you think that your setup should be, you have to do it. So for your own good. So let's see how the market plays. Thank you guys. So like these videos and join. So when this now, I will be telling you when this thing gets this zone, how to enter the market again. But right now, I will be when the market reach here now, I'll be telling you how to enter the market. But right now we don't know what to do again. We enter the market, I'm out. So if I show you BDC, I'm already on trade on BDC too. BDC. Yes, I did on trade on BTC. Let me show you the position. I did on trade on BTC too. The same entry I took from the entry, which is my position. So I take the entry. We're expecting to take profit from here. This is for BTC. So we look for what happens. So guys, see how we see the market right now, and let's see what happens. Thank you guys for watching.